When I came here this morning, there was nobody on the beach, it was deserted. So if I was relying on people being on the beach today, I would have been stumped and I couldn't possibly have painted this view because I'd had nothing to put in the foreground.
Right.
So instead, I took out my trusty sketchbook.
Trusty sketchbook.
And there were all the figures I need. So now what I'm going to do is to show you how to transfer the image that's in your sketchbook onto the painting. And the secret about doing this is simply to do it very simply. Look for blocks.
Yeah.
Look for blocks. Don't look for any detail. Look only for simple shapes and block it in very boldly. And you can see you can create a very nice pattern of different colours then going through the landscape. You have the beach bag, you have the bucket and spade, and then a bright dash of colour across the beach towel. Somebody's legs sticking out from underneath a beach umbrella. They're all interesting shapes arranged so that they pull your eye through the picture.
And the little figures in the distance, they're lovely.
That's right. Well, that's another very important point. You must always make sure that the scale of the figures you take from your sketchbook fit in to the proportions of the landscape. Draw, draw, draw whenever you have the opportunity, and make use of your sketchbook whenever you're stuck with an empty foreground. They're tremendously useful to create paintings out of something that won't quite make it on its own.